Whew, uranium stocks these past couple months, eh? Not great. Hey, my name is Tucker Krause, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're back with another uranium stock update. Let's get right into it. But first, I want to note that all of the data here today is going to be as of May 27th, 2023. On screen now is the current prices and market caps of several uranium companies in US dollars and the respective US exchanges. Feel free to pause and look through it yourself before commenting down below what your favorite uranium stocks are. First, we're going to start off with looking at some of their charts. So of course, as we touched on at the start of this video, yeah, uranium stocks haven't been doing amazingly lately. In early March, we did finally seem to stop the bleeding and have been climbing slowly since, though we were rejected off the 200-day, so just be careful if we fall through the current support. But I find that unlikely since when we overlay uranium spot price, we could see a total disconnect between it and URNM. That also began in early March. These will likely reconnect at some point, whether that's through stocks rallying to match spot price, or to look on the bright side, spot price collapses to match the stock price. But definitely watch this chart to see if they reconnect. SPUT, on the other hand, has certainly held up much better than URNM, as you can see here, with its current price actually matching where it was trading in mid-November, aka when I did my last uranium stock update. Not to mention it being above the 200-day, unlike URNM. Though even it has had a disconnect from uranium spot prices, though not nearly as much as URNM has. So the fact that URNM, representative of uranium stocks, is so much below spot price does indicate that there is potential that the uranium stocks are undervalued, at least when we're looking on a technical basis. And so obviously it makes sense that SPUT is much closer to physical uranium price because the only difference between it and the physical uranium price is going to be the premium or discount on SPUT. But good job to everyone who held SPUT over the past 6 months. You guys definitely did a lot better than everyone else. But let's move on to price per pound. So, as we can see on the side here, GoviEx, Forsys, Blue Sky, Bannerman, Deep Yellow, and Global Atomic are all looking quite strong with price per pound of less than $2.50. Peninsula, UEC, Lotus, and Fission Uranium are all a little bit more pricey when it comes to price per pound, ranging from $2.50 to $5, with NexGen, Denison, UR Energy, and Boss Energy all looking quite expensive, at least on a price per pound basis. There's a lot more to it. But before we move on to the more in-depth fair value analysis of these stocks, I would first love if you could hit that subscribe button because it's totally free and only about 16% of you guys watching are actually subscribed. I gotta get 1,000 subscribers to monetize the channel, and I think I put a lot of work into it, so I'd like to do that, you know? So it'd be greatly appreciated because it's totally free for you to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now on with the video. Alright, so the DCF results are going to pop up beside me in just a second, but before then, the DCF, like always, is going to be using $80 uranium for the spot price, as well as CapEx and OpEx inflation of 50%, as well as a discount rate of 10%, so these numbers are all very conservative. So we can see Blue Sky just tramples the competition with a undervaluation that we can see is just absolutely massive. Fission Uranium through Denison mines all look very strong as well, all over 200% to the upside to their fair value, with everything from NexGen to Lotus also looking quite strong. And then at the bottom here we see UEC, Boss Energy, and Deep Yellow quite underperforming. Well, that's not the whole story. For example, I'm sure you know how popular Deep Yellow is over on Twitter, but why is it so low here? Well, there's a lot more to that, so if you want to learn more, just go click on my Deep Yellow stock analysis I did a couple of weeks ago, popping up on screen now, or if you want to learn more about any of the stocks I went over in today's video, or a whole lot of other things, go check out my channel. And without further ado, this is not financial advice, do your own research, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.